Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now choose those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept in this pop-up. Then you can adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!